Hi, I bought this new dashboard cover. That is the company. It comes with a free cloth to clean the dash or whatever you want to clean. And it has the little Velcro strips. This is the dashboard cover. It's very nice carpet. It's like carpet. It's really pretty thick. It's not like super duper thick. I mean, you can see that's how thick it is. But it's got a lot to it. It has the holes cut out, as you can see, for your AC vents and everything, your heat, where your heat, all that defroster and stuff comes through. And it's very nice. I do like it. I recommend it very highly. I'm trying to install it right now. It's very easy to install. All you do is put these on the dashboard and it just clings right to them. But make sure that you check for the size and everything when you order it. And I recommend this very highly. Thank you. Bye.